Okay, so we got another one here. It's a Dell. You know, nowadays models information doesn't mean anything anymore. They're all pretty much similar. Okay, so here we go. Not turning on. Okay, let's see, what does it mean, not turning on? We'll need a power cord. Somebody donate your power. Okay. Okay, so for this one, take a couple of job photos. Inspiron 15. Okay, so this one, what did it come with? Nothing. Okay. So we got our own charger. Let's have a look. What was that? What? That's a HP charger. Shit, the wrong one. Okay. Okay, we got the white light on the charger. Dell charger light is on. Power light. So that's Inspiron 15. So that's coming on. So what's the issue? What the fuck? I think they're watching a movie in the background. Okay, so this one looks like there is nothing wrong. The machine is on. Some torrent software running in the background. Okay, it's not charging the battery maybe. Maybe it's flat for a long time. So there's some torrents running. Okay, so there was a video. Oh, the wallpaper, I have to cut that out. Okay, what's happening? Okay, we can't really see what's going on. I mean, it's just waiting. So keep keyboard is actually not working. Oh, is it working now? So some keys are working, some are not. C. Oh, is there a different locale? No. P. No. O. No. I. U. T. R. E. W. W. That's W. S. D. That's C. Okay, so that's a bit of a weird one. So this one, keyboard definitely needs replacing. Shut down. And this one's also disgusting. Sorry, mate, but... Your keyboard doesn't work. What am I trying to do? Get into BIOS? I'll just use the dongle. Try and get into BIOS if we can. i3 third generation 1.8. 4 gig RAM. This battery is performing normally. Okay. So if I disconnect the charger, it should have to stay on, right? Yeah, that's bullshit. The battery is operating normally. Thinks the battery is full, I think. Yeah. Why do I get this shitty joystick? Oh, man. I feel like vomiting. Although it works, I'm not gonna recommend. I'm not gonna give a quotation. It's cockroaches and shit like that. Disgusting. Fuck, spark came out. Of course the spark is gonna come out. Look at those caps around the battery. I can smell the burn. Why am I wasting time on this one? Okay, maybe I shouldn't. Just for curiosity's sake. There are caps right there. There's a battery connected to it. And this is the area that a spark just came out. Liquid has seeped in all the way. Due to the age, I'm not going to recommend repair. Shitty one, okay. Anyway, we'll leave it at that for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.